Hello and good morning. Let's take a look here at the couple of problems here. Your test is next week, by the way. Monday you'll get a practice test. This right here, you're standing right here, so put a dot. This one's opposite. This is your hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. Make sure you understand that. If not, get help from your neighbor or get some tutoring or watch the videos. All right, so to get x, you're going to use h and a because you know that one. So it's so. Kotoa, and A and H is right here, that's cosine. So number one is going to be the cosine of 35 degrees equals, the H is on the bottom, so that's this one. So X is on the bottom here, so it's 10 over X. Now what I'm going to do is switch these two. I'm going to move the X up here, and I'm going to move the cosine of 35 down here. Just one move, and we got the answer. So take your calculator, do it right now. 10 divided by 35 cosine, press equals. I get 12.2, and so should you. If not, ask, okay? Make this just a little bit smaller so I don't run out of space. Okay, let's go to one more. This one right here, you're looking for an angle, so this is the inverse function, so put a dot. This is opposite and hypotenuse, that's sine of angle x equals opposite, and the hypotenuse is on the bottom. What you're going to do is divide by the word sine, and it becomes the arc sine. So angle x is equal to. So you're going to press 7 divided by 10, press equals. Make sure you press equals, and then hit shift and sine, and make sure you get 44.4 degrees is the angle. And that's how you do it. Today, get your computers out, start on Savvas. For those of you who are consistently not doing Savvas, you're going to start getting a worksheet every Friday if you're not working on the computers and doing that program. All right, have a good morning. Let me switch now to MCR class. MCR class, you're going to have a practice test on Monday, and then your test will be during the week. So this one right here, you're trying to get x by itself, but notice that x is on the bottom. So put a 1 here and then flip both of these. So put 1 over m equals x2 minus x1 over y2 minus y1. And that stands for slope here. So what you're going to do is multiply both sides by y2 minus y1. Just like that. Okay, and then what you're going to do is get rid of this by, it's a plus, so you're going to do a minus. You're going to move it to the other side. So it's going to be y2 minus y1 over m minus x2 equals negative x1. And then you got to get rid of this, so you're going to change all your signs. So this one changes to a negative, this one changes to a positive, and this one changes to a positive, and then you're done. And that's how you do that. This one right here, you're trying to get r. So I would multiply by x right away. So this cancels. So you get ax equals p, just like that. And then I would divide by p. Don't distribute, because then you make it bigger and worse. So now you're going to subtract 1 from this side. So it's ax over p minus 1 equals r times t. And then all you got to do is divide by t. And when you divide by t, let me push this up a little bit. When you divide by t, you just put the t on the bottom here, and you're done. And that's the answer. And actually, no, you have to divide this one by t as well. Okay? There it is. Today you have a worksheet. It is on Canvas. You have the first 20 of them, and I want you to do them on the back side. So yes, you're going to have to rewrite them, okay? But it's only 20, and they're back here is where I want the work. Okay, so when you turn it in, I should see your work back here. All right, have a good morning, and I'll see you in class.